What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the plate boots of the shadows in Crimson Desert. This is a good armor piece that gives you 16 points in attack, 7 points in defense, with a 10% skill XP gain buff, and a climb speed multiplier of 2%. Now all these good stats aren't that easy to get. To acquire these boots, you'll have to travel to the far west of the town of Hernand, almost at the end of the river. To make your way there, you can follow the road that leads west from the town. Now a few meters away from this fork in the road is where we want to be, by the green marker. We'll start there. Then we're gonna make our way down to our second destination, which is the secluded cabin. Once you make it to where I placed my green marker, we'll be traveling down the slope, slowly and carefully, until we reach the secluded cabin down below by the river. When you arrive at the cabin, you can either clear it of enemies or just run past it, though I would suggest clearing it out so it'll become a checkpoint in case you'll die midway into the next journey. If you finish clearing the cabin, follow along the right shore until you reach a ramp. Then you'll have to climb until you make it above the first waterfall. Make sure to stop and rest before you run out of stamina. If you're not careful and you drop on the stream after losing air, you might drown. That's where the cabin becomes handy in case you die midway. After you land on some rocks on top of the first waterfall, you'll see a stack of rocks on the next waterfall, which serves as the marker for the cave behind it. From here we swim. Make sure to stick close to the rock wall so in case when you run out of stamina you could just climb on a ledge to replenish it. If you drown during this part, you'll respawn in the cabin and start over again, so move carefully. When you reach the rock pile, ready your weapon, approach the waterfall, then do this stab attack with shift and right click. Once you're on the other side, pop up your lantern and walk deeper into the cave until you find the chest. Loot it along with some extra stuff lying around, and you'll get the plate boots of the shadows. Enjoy your new gear. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.